How to disable app tracking on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can disable app tracking on Android. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First, what you'll need to do is disable web and app activity. For that, go to your settings, go to Google. After you find it, tap on it. After you're here, you'll need to manage your Google account. So tap on your Google account on the top, tap on manage your Google account, and you should be heading over to your Google accounts management. After you're there, you will need to go to your data and privacy. So head over to data and privacy, and from there head over to web and app activity. From here you'll need to turn this off. So let it load and turn it off. And doing that, now Google cannot track your web and app activity. After you've done that, you can now go ahead and manage your app permission. So go to your settings again, search for privacy, security and privacy. After you're on your security and privacy, scroll down till you find privacy controls. After you're there, scroll down, you will see app permission manager. Head over there, and from here control your location. So turn off your location services, tap on location, and from here disable the location services for the apps that do not require it. After you've done that, you can then reset your advertising ID. For that, go to your settings again and go to Google. After you're on your Google, go to all services, then find ads. On your ads, you can see ad privacy. You can see deleting advertising ID and resetting advertising ID. Tap on reset or delete. Then tap on confirm and you're good to go. And that's how you do it. That's how you disable app tracking on Android. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.